All aboard! What, mate? He's as bad as you for the terrible voices. I know where he gets it from now. Please? He's just sitting like a woman.
It's because I'm first class.
I'm first class, but I sit in third class. I'm in trans class, so I can't decide whether I'm first or third.
A block clock mob.
Oh.
There it is. Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witness.
That's a beehive. JW.org. All these seats are so much more comfortable. I can feel my arse bouncing, which means my blood can still flow. I won't get square arse in 10 minutes.
Square ass.
Oh, pardon me. Oh, yeah. I'm just thinking my dinner again. She's bad with strings. I feel it travels like now. Give me that window.
Team Boot Camp is coming. Daniel's Mill is literally just over here.
David, that's a fucking life. Yes, there's a black and white sign saying Daniel's Mill.
That's it, see? Daniel's Mill. And to your left, or to your right, would be the boot camp.
I want stiletto camp.
Team Boot Camp.
Oh God. I think they've got my ticket that I was going to keep.
What, the one for the hill climb?
Yeah. I think she just ripped it in half. Yeah, she did, look. Here's your return. So I've only got up only.
Well, that's right. So when we go back, we go round and we go up.
But I wanted to keep it as a memento.
I mean, you can sew back together.
Can you imagine if we
No,
go back?
because she's got the down-only section. I'd be like, can't you keep them two and just leave me with one full ticket? God's sake! I've got blind! That was an ashtray back in the day. Shit, no, but I know you got one there. So can you imagine? Excuse me, just need to flick my hair. What?
Potty shed.
Potty shed? Oh, you need potty. Oh. Yeah.
Oh, God. Oh.
Bah. That's a lie.
What?
I am attached to Recycle Together.
It was, and you ripped it off.
No, you're not, because I broke you.
Oh, I'm laughing.
What did my boob ever do to you? It's
Strong.
yeah, it is the little one as well.
Tickets, please.
Oh god.
That's fine, Mr. Carter. That's it.
It's the first time you've been called that.
No privacy with these things, is there?
No, definitely not. No. As long as it's not got the winning lottery ticket numbers that I've allocated.
You wish you had. Then again, I wish you had them.
Up to 4 million. Euro millions.
I'm okay then.
That's fine, Mr. Carter.
Got your number.
We'll do it tomorrow afternoon at 3 o'clock. Claim your reward.
I don't know himself.
That wasn't it. I didn't think it'd be that easy. I didn't think about it.
Child.
Where's that friggin' tissue gone?
Behind you.
No, it's all right. Oh dear. Should have stopped at that potty shed. Can't take you anywhere.
Can't take you anywhere.
I didn't do it. Look, I'm driving. I did nothing.
Don't drive him down himself.
Stop. You're in first fucking class now.
No, we're not. We're in third. I thought that was coming out my head then.
I'm going around this train station in a minute. I've got to jump on.
Well, it's 10 degrees, so it's already drying out.
Oh, wet trousers.
Just face the window. Get the. What happened?
My belly hurts.
Still.
Yeah. I think I might be taking a big miss on dinner tonight.
Yeah, shit today.
I'm struggling.
So you need to get some fibre in you.
Yeah, I think I'll be taking a massive loss miss on dinner. The feel is solid.
We've had beans for lunch, so that'll help. Get some orange juice down, yeah. That helps his fibre. Stay away from bread. Pig. That place suits you, dribbles.
You'll take a picture of me sat on the trailer. Look what I found on the train, man.
Just escape from the nut-house.
So Reese takes a photo.
Fair play. Take photos of it.
Nothing new.
Yeah, around social media in about 5 seconds.
5 minutes of fame.
And
Just doing one.
You're not in a good picture. You owe me a big one.
I owe you nothing.
Apart from new jars, yeah.
I clean your clothes. I food shop for you. I cook for you. I clean for you. I owe you nothing. Oh.
Sleepers. They're so old, they're growing bushes in between them.
Oh. Oh no.
No, thank you. I'm just
That was a
denied.
drill. That was a drill stage up for.
Slowly trying though.
Yeah, say that. That's done. Tried really quick.
No need to watch.
But as you wore that yesterday, it's about time when I watched the train.
Do you know what? When it's not diesel, steam train on this car, it sounds like a normal train. Just a normal everyday train. There's no special sounds, nothing.
The only bit I haven't heard, obviously, because of Wales. But you know, like what I call your box standard train nowadays, you can sometimes hear the electricity in the rails.
Hi there.
You'd be like high pitched squeal or like some straight through there hating it.
You won't get that on diesel, it's not electric.
That's what I'm saying, that's the only sound that I haven't heard. Trackside. They've called their holiday home trackside. Oh, the nest.
It's because it's up high. Coming to a station. All aboard!
He hasn't come round and said which station there is, isn't it, the first fella? Which nowadays is like
I don't think it would matter because where we are, it's in the middle of the train. So if you want to get off, just get off. When you're at, the end.
Oh,
That's nice.
I do like how all the stations are the same.
They're all old, isn't it? It's great that they kept the GWR going. Please tell me you're trying to work it out.
What?
You're not working that out, are you?
What?
GWR.
Great Western Railway?
Yeah, so why is it taking you a little while then?
I didn't hear you, I was looking at where we were.
You see that, the pulleys for the signal box. So that's what the wires are to change the tracks around. can't remember if it's this one or we've got to sit and wait for the one coming up. It might be this one.
I have to wait here for a train to pass us.
Yeah.
There you go.
A steam train will come.
You heard you.
Shall I stick my hair out of now? The other guy's done.
He's got more than a dribble now. He's got blood down his top.
Very wet, long
Not
dribble.
quick, fast dry. Well, it's not completely dry, but
I can still see it though.
If you aim the camera that way, you should catch the train coming up. Keep going round, 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 keep going round. Keep going there. That's it, coming down.
There's a nice breeze.
it's a good picture on that phone as well.
I capture all my
I don't
pictures in
think-
good view.
I don't think it's nothing special, the phone. It's not like a Galaxy or a... What was it again?
What's roller?
Motorola.
Yeah.
My very first phone was a Motorola.
Yeah. Well, I'm not silly like you, so...
Still don't trust you.
Well, I'm not.
You're laughing one more another. You drunk it before you even did it.
Because I'm not stupid. I wouldn't make you wear this, especially on Peach.
You so pink.
Pink.
You call me stupid. You call me stupid.
The evidence.
We know you've got a stupid face.
That ain't no lie.
Your son agrees.
I want either side of agreement at this point. That-
See, now he's sticking his head out. Look how stupid can you be?
Because it's nowhere to be seen at the moment, the train. There's nothing up there.
Probably on its way.
It's on its way.
That must be so silly. Following the cortege, hearse and stuff on the motorway, travelling at 40 miles per hour.
It was the part of the funeral party. Of course they're going to follow it.
Yeah, but this guy that took this photo wasn't nothing to do with it.
What is it?
Funeral.
Funeral what?
Directors.
What's it called, babe?
Courgette.
Courgette.
Courgette. No,
A funeral
cortege.
courgette.
Cortege is different.
Contorge. He does it again.
I can hear it. It's coming.
So far. No, I can hear a plane.
You know your hearing's more.
I can hear a plane. That's the only thing I can hear. Morning. Yeah, the only thing I can hear is a plane.
Oh, so much for stopping for the train.
It's thinking that.
You can have it on. Very good. Steam train now. Overtaking on our verge. It's on the dirt track.
It's late. Even the old-fashioned trains can't stick to a time schedule, just like the modern ones. They're always running late.
Always ran late. Probably broke down.
It broke down. We're at a station.
No, the train that's running late. It's probably broke down.
We are the train running late.
No, we ain't. We ain't run late.
Yeah, I was supposed to be here 5 minutes ago. 14:25. We went to be here. It's 14:30.
Yeah, but we was waiting for a train to come the other way.
The train that never showed up.
Exactly. What's that? Becky, do that. Now you can tell you're on a different station.
Still there.
Locum Springs. Oh dear. I can see the engine up here. Go around. There you are. A little bit around. There you are. See the engine. On a bend. Straighten up.
What?
The springs in the seats.
All this snot rags here.
Yeah, well.
You asked for. Really wore the vest up tonight. You'd have had
What about the Lolo thing? Little Lolo thing. Fence posts. It's a nice little seating area. I wonder if this is where, is this the station that we're supposed to stop at? Broadley. Broadley.
I can't tell.
No, that's a signpost. Do you want Harley or not?
No, Broadley, wasn't it? What's that?
Udley. No. Harley.
Hardly.
Harley.
So, where are
That's
we now?
here. Do you want it or not?
Is that the stop that we'll
Yeah.
stop at? Choose, do you want to stop here?
It's up to you.
Mama, there's more. Mama, there is more.
Okay.
Pardon?
Stop here, can we?
Speak.
Oh, let's go.
I'm gonna fall over. I can't figure out how to work a train. He's got them on the outside. It's easier. Yeah, look, third. Don't really think he's got to the first.
Well, if we can get a compartment on the last train,
I mean, we kind of did. But
and also
Why did you put the heat in?
not freezing
I don't think there's many on that. It's all
Yeah, come on then. Well, we got that. Yeah.